guys are going to want to see. I have a mixing liquid. Okay, now this is still, being tested and kind of being improved, but let me show you how this works right now. I'm going to go for a black eyeliner. So I've got my Smokey Signal Powder right here. This is made primarily of activated charcoal, just very natural stuff. And this has a very skinny liner wand. And as I pulled that out, I got just the right amount of liquid on here that I can dip it into the powder. Any excess you just tap off, and it has absorbed right on the wand and turned into, thanks, Lilo, turned into liquid eyeliner. I'm serious. Depending on which colors choices you're making, you may need to mix it onto the lid to kind of help smooth it out, but this looked like it worked really well, so I don't really think I'm going to have to. I'm just kind of testing that right now, but really good. So this should stay wet enough, long enough for you to be able to apply both eyes, maybe even with the same line if you're fast. If you're kind of slow, you might have to re-dip, but let me see if I can do this here. I always like to go really close to my lash line. Oh my gosh, this is so smooth. All right, and a little wing here. Oh, my hand smeared. All right. Of course, now that you're watching me, I'm messing up. You know how hard it is to put on liquid eyeliner, especially when someone's watching you. For my eye shape, I always go thinner towards the corner of the eye. And I have slightly hooded eyelids, not too much, but not a real big eyelid. So I feel like I really need to keep this space in my eye really open. I get thicker as I go out, and that helps my eyes look more round. And then because my eyelashes are so fair, I always go in and I get this space in between the eyelashes. I feel like I need more to do this since it's starting to dry. But this is a very good trick to make sure it blends. All right. So what I'm really hoping with the liquid liner is that I'm going to be able to make it waterproof. I am playing around with a couple different things, so that's exciting. But for now, at least we can get a really, really concentrated pigment and a really nice liquid consistency to be able to do that. In order to get to the other eye, I need to put some more liquid on because I took too long this time. I'm going to just take a little drop of water with my sink and rinse it real quick because I do want to keep my liquid completely clear and clean. So now I have a clean, dry wand. I'm going to dip it back in. That way I can use this for other colors in the future. Okay, I don't need to wipe off any excess, just pull it straight out, and that's the right amount of liquid. Dip in once, tap any excess. Maybe wait a second or two so that that fully absorbs, and then I think I'm good to go here. All right, let me try this again. I always look into the mirror when I'm putting on my eyeliner and keep my eye open so I can make sure and go very close to my lash line. Because like I say, for me, I have such a small eyelid area that I just can't do it any other way. Oh, I usually do so much better than this. Okay. Change directions if I have to. Let me try that again. There we go. I'm just going to kind of blend it today because I don't want a real stark, heavy, sharp line since I am not wearing any other makeup. Coming back into my eyelashes as I go across. There's enough color on here to do a good job without having to keep re-dipping, you know, for the same eye. That's really cool. Look how thin I can make that. This is a really good applicator. I like it a lot. All right, I think I did okay. Cool. Hi, honey. You need something?
Yeah, where's the thing for the apartment?
Oh, you're gonna try and load?
Yeah, some on my stuff, because it's already 10.
All right, honey. Go look at my purse. All right. We're gonna start loading up the car here. Wow, I love it. See if I have any left for the bottom. Just a little bit. I never put very much on the bottom. I don't go all the way across. So because I'm kind of getting the last little bit that's left on here, it's more of like a dark, dark gray. But if I had put a little more and made sure it was really wet, it would be more black. But this is a nice way to get kind of a natural look that's not too crazy. Awesome. Okay. Let me tell you something else really fast while I'm thinking about it. Clean this off. Don't forget to clean it off. Especially as I get this to be waterproof, you're going to want to make sure and always clean this off and make sure that you don't like leave it setting around so it doesn't dry and get hard. And then this, oh, it does drip out. I just wanted to check. So you don't turn the bottle upside down unless you want to get out a drop or two at a time to mix into the lid of your stuff and everything.